diseases into two categories: non-communicable and non-infectious diseases, and communicable or infectious diseases. Non-communicable diseases cannot be transferred from one person to another, while communicable diseases are transferred from infected person to a healthy person by means of air, water, food, etc. Common cold is a very common example of communicable disease. Friends, some insects and animals that are found in our surroundings act as carriers of pathogens. Housefly and mosquitoes are the common examples of such carriers. In cholera disease, housefly is the carrier of many pathogens. To prevent cholera, we should always keep food covered and avoid consuming the uncovered food items. In malaria disease, female Anopheles mosquito is the carrier of Plasmodium parasites. We should use repellent creams, sprays, and mosquito nets to prevent malaria. Here is a list describing various common human diseases caused by different pathogens. Now let's move on to our next topic that discusses about diseases in animals. Have you heard about any animal disease caused by a pathogen? Anthrax and foot and mouth diseases are the common examples of animal diseases. Anthrax is a bacterial disease caused by Bacillus anthracis, while foot and mouth disease in cattle is caused by a virus. Hey, now let's know about diseases caused in plants. There are several microorganisms which cause disease in various plants. The table contains some widespread plant diseases and their causative pathogens. Drag and drop the correct option into its respective box. Well done! Friends, in summer season, if the food is lying in open for a longer duration, the food turns stale and finally poisonous substance. The cause of this is again the same, bacteria. There are some bacteria like Clostridium, Bacillus, and Staphylococcus which cause the food poisoning. This food causes harm to us. We can preserve our food by some methods as listed below. We use pasteurization process to preserve the milk. To get the right answer, click on true or false. Well done! Well done! Summary. Friends, let us summarize what we have learned in this module. Microorganism or microbe is an organism, living, which is so small in size that we cannot see with naked or unaided eyes, that is, they can be seen only through a microscope. Microorganisms are classified into four major groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Microorganisms can survive in different environmental conditions like water, soil, hot springs, and mountains, etc. Microorganisms are broadly categorized into two main categories: useful and harmful microorganisms. Useful microorganisms are used in various purposes in our daily life and industries. Harmful microorganisms that cause diseases in humans, animals, and plants are known as pathogens. Nitrogen fixation is the biological process in which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia found in the roots of